Hey there, Tom Boyer with Chase Welch.
Hey.
Chase is our resident expert in everything guns. Chase, I wanted to talk today about pasters.
Yeah.
Got a variety of pasters, but what are they used for?
Yeah, so pasters classically have been used to just cover shot holes, and you certainly can do that. So all of our targets have proprietary technology, and so we have pasters in the thermal, IR reflective, photoluminescent, larger IR reflective, which we'll get to, and these black pasters, which are used for repairing these black parts of the target you'll see behind me. And so you can certainly use these to cover up shot holes in targets, but you can actually use these as standalone aiming points as well. So if you have your favorite aiming target system, whatever the case may be, and you don't want to buy a whole target kit, you can just buy these pasters and expand your capabilities for the thermal space, night vision, and your photoluminescent targets as well. So whether you're running night vision lasers, thermals, we have a paster for you. Talking about these larger pasters, so for our 100-meter zero target, sometimes depending on the performance of your thermal optic, you may need to have a larger aiming surface area to get that good edge contrast and resolution that you need. And so that's what those larger pasters are for. So there you go, that is our pasters. And John, all these are available on the website, right?
Absolutely. So all these are available on the store in single sheet and multi-sheet packs. So they're right there ready for you.
Yep. So the website is IR.Tools/shop. So head over there, check out everything we've got. We've got all of our products there, including our pasters. So get yourself something nice. Any last thoughts, Tom?
That's it.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Guys, check out the website. Thank you for watching. Train hard, live free. See you next time.